Well, butter my biscuits. Did you know you could share Enscape rendered panoramas with anyone who uses a smartphone? That's right. They don't need CAD, they don't need Enscape, they don't even have to be in front of their workstations.
Imagine I share a building section with a client and they don't fully understand the spatial aspects the section is reflecting. Or I send a plan revision to a worker on site and they are not able to imagine how the actual construction would look like. I can create 360 panoramas from all the important locations in my model with Enscape. For each panorama, Enscape generates a QR code. I can place these QR codes on those locations in my plans or sections, and the client or the team working on the site can simply scan the QR codes on their smartphones and go inside the rendered 3D panoramas. I ain't kidding, guys! Let's see how this is done. Go to a location inside your project that you want to highlight. Click on Mono Panorama. Enscape will render a 360 of the location you are currently at. The difference between a mono and stereo panorama we will discuss in another video. Once you have generated all the panoramas you need, go to your host CAD and click on the Uploads icon in the Enscape toolbar. This will show you all those panoramas under the Panoramas tab. Do you see this cloud symbol with an upload icon inside? That is the first thing we need to do. Click this and Enscape will send this panorama to the cloud, so it can be accessible via any web browser. I will do this for all the panoramas I generated, one by one. Once ready, we can simply click Go to Uploads on the bottom of this window. This will take us online to the cloud. Here we can see the panoramas we uploaded, and we also have some options to share this here. However, we will stay in our CAD. Once you upload the panorama, a cloud icon appears on top right of the panorama thumbnail, and a new drop-down option with 3 vertical dots appears. Once you click on it, this is where you will see the QR code for this panorama. I have options to view it in the browser or copy the link, but I want to save the QR code as a file. I will click that and save it to my desired location. This will save the QR code as an image file, and I can save it for each panorama I see here. Now, when I want to share a drawing with somebody who is not so well versed in reading plans or sections, or is simply more of a visual person, I can add those QR codes I saved to my drawings and send it to them. Say I created this 3D floor plan with Enscape, or maybe this one using the new Enscape Artistic Visual Style modes, which looks bombastic, by the way. I can stick those QR codes for areas visible in this plan and label them if needed. Or I can create a beautiful section like this one here, and mark areas I have a panorama for with their relevant QR code. Something like this. I just love 3D sections with Enscape. Now, when someone wants to experience this space in a bit more immersive environment, they can scan the QR code with their smartphones, and no kidding, guys, you can go inside the rendered 3D panorama. I mean, there's no better way to say this. It is next level. Not only that, imagine I just want to present a few visuals of my projects and my viewers might or might not have the time to view the whole model. I can stick the QR code on it anyways. In case somebody finds the time, I have so much edge on having this possibility to allow them to engage more with the spatial experience of my design project. Go ahead. You should also scan this QR code on the screen with your smartphones and try it out yourself. Yes. Like right now, guys. How funky is that?
Well, butter my biscuits, y'all. Enscape took collabs to a whole new level. See you in my next video. Like and subscribe.